Well, this isn't a toothbrush for humans. This is made by HICC Pet, and this is a toothbrush for dogs or cats, but I specifically use this on my dogs. And this is designed to help you in a couple different ways with the oral care for your dogs. If your dogs are like mine, they got dog breath. And one of the reasons they have that is not just because of the foods they eat, but because they don't brush their teeth every day like we do. And so they got plaque and tartar buildup. It begins to stink over time. And so this is a great way to help them with that problem. This is an ergonomically designed, long-handled toothbrush for them. One side with your big traditional toothbrush looking head to help with the larger teeth. And then one side with this much smaller to help with any fine precision work you need up near the gum line or in the molars in the back. They do make toothpastes that are safe for pets, dog safe toothpaste. That's something you're going to need to grab alongside of this in order to help them with that. But if you're looking for a good way to improve your dog's oral care, to help remove that plaque and that tartar that might be causing some gum issues and some bleeding, but also that dog breath, check this out. I think you're going to love it. Again, it's by HICC Pet.